You have 5 seconds. That's how long a website visitor takes to decide if your site is worth their time. And most B2B SaaS hero sections waste all 5 of them. Hey, I'm Jacqueline, and I've redesigned hundreds of hero sections for B2B SaaS companies. Not only is the hero section your first impression, but it has the most important job: hook, inform, and persuade your potential buyers. I'll show you exactly how you can approach a successful hero design and what makes it work with a simple framework to write better messaging. The number one mistake B2B SaaS companies make in their hero section is being too vague, trying to appeal to literally everyone, using hot, trendy words like AI this and AI that, and really not saying anything unique at all about the value that you provide to your customers. Let's take a look at hero sections that could use some TLC. If we look at Cognito here, their hero title is "There's a better way to verify your customers." Now, when I read that, I'm going to assume that they're talking about the better way is Cognito. But why not just blatantly say that? We are the better way to verify your customers, right? It's still not saying enough. What is the better way? I'd want to know before I dive in more. I'd want to kind of get that hook out of the way to understand the value prop that this solves my problem. But it doesn't do that right now. There's a better way to verify your customers. Okay, is it not Cognito? Is it actually somebody else? Like when I land here, I want to be sold that you are the product to solve my problem. You are the solution that benefits me every day that I work in my tech stack, right? And this just isn't doing it yet. Even their subtitles, Smarter Identity Verification Services and Compliance Solutions from Cognito. It's just kind of jargon and hitting the keywords of the category or the industry that Cognito works in, but not necessarily the differentiator. What makes Cognito different? What makes me want to choose them over everybody else who does and achieves identity verification? What makes Cognito smarter? Explain to me right away in a hero title so that I know what you do and that you help me. If we look at Cloudera here, theirs is even more vague. Cloud anywhere, data anywhere, AI anywhere. I mean, that says absolutely nothing, right? Like everything, everywhere. You can do everything everywhere all of the time. So do you actually kind of do nothing, or do you offer so much of everything that I have no idea if it's useful to me specifically? I want to land on a hero section and understand that this is for me, this solves my problem, and I can see myself using this product because I clearly understand what they sold me. I'm literally looking for this solution. That should answer my question right away. And I don't think that Cloudera is being very successful here. Tackling an even bigger technology company, Databricks here, their hero section is the database your AI agents deserve. What? Wait a second. My AI agents don't deserve anything I do, okay? I'm the one who's going to purchase, okay? What do I deserve, right? Like, what is the benefit of Databricks and my AI agents? How does it help me as the person buying the product? That's what your hero section title really needs to speak to. Instead of, the database your AI agents deserve, what does the database do with my AI agents? That benefit, that solution that it offers might be exactly what I'm looking for. So it's important that your hero section titles are specific, are targeting your specific niche and your specific audience instead of being vague to everyone. Because when you are vague to everyone, you are specific to no one. How is somebody going to know that you're the right product for them if you're not exactly telling them? If you're telling everybody that we do everything, that doesn't tell me that I should invest in you. That doesn't tell me you solve my specific problem, my specific pain point. So I want to see Databricks get a bit more specific here. Here's the deal. Your headlines need to highlight a benefit, solution, or value that you provide the people who give you money. When they land on your homepage, in 5 seconds they ask, is this for me? Can it solve my problem? And if they answer yes and yes, they're going to keep reading on. But if they answer maybe and I can't tell, they're out of there. Every dollar you spend on ads, SEO, or content is wasted the moment someone bounces because your hero confused them. Now, 60% of visitors will never scroll past your hero section. So with those 5 seconds, you better nail it. Treat your hero copy like your sales pitch. When you're stuck, you can kind of get started with a framework of gain X through Y. Gain thing that you offer through how you achieve it. Then the rest of your site is meant to back that up. You'll have stats, customer logos, and case studies and webinars proving that you're the expert in this space, in this industry, doing this thing. So if we look at Cognito here, and I were to use that framework I had just mentioned, where you gain X through Y, to speak about how specifically Cognito, or your platform, solves the specific problem, and how you do it differently than everyone else, then you start to have a more specific hero section that starts to really connect with your end user. So what if we took gain customer verification through secure screening networks? Now, I read through the website a bit to kind of understand better what they do, and this is what I found doing 10 seconds of research. So if we put this here, and you were to land on this hero section, and you're thinking about Cognito, and if you want to buy them, and if you're interested in learning more, you would read gain customer verification through secure screening networks. Yeah, whoa, that's exactly what I'm looking for. I want to verify my customers safely, quickly, and securely. That answers that question. That tells me that I'm in the right spot and I just need to keep learning a little bit more, researching, comparing, finding pricing. I am hooked and I want to keep going. Let's do the same thing with Cloudera. So instead of cloud anywhere, data anywhere, AI anywhere, let's get a bit more specific. And again, I looked at their website for about 10 seconds to figure out exactly what I think that they do. So if we take this hero section using that framework, gain X through Y, we get gain trustworthy insights through your data platforms. So what they're doing is they're sifting through the data that you already have and creating trustworthy recommendations and insights for you to continue to grow your own business. And so this is immediately more specific to what I'm looking for. I want to find something that will help take my data that already exists and tell me to do something smart with it. This is hitting on a pain point, a benefit, and a solution all in one versus absolutely everything for everyone all of the time, right? We can't do that. That's not going to get us customers through the door or get buyers through our funnel. We want people who are interested and high intent to click on free trials, try for free, sign up now, gain a demo, sign up for a webinar. We want them to be interested enough to want to learn more. And if we're not specific, they're already gone. This example is based on work I did with a client to redesign their entire homepage. They had a very simple hero that didn't really say anything. Stop overspending on data transfers. Get the complete transfer experience. That's not unique to a company. That's not specific enough to a product to make me want to learn more and give you money. Right at the end of the day, we want people to convert. And to convert people, we need to sell them successfully. And this isn't doing it. Our redesign included adding in a visual, which I think I'll speak to in another video, but when we're talking about our headline, we wanted to be very specific and then use subtitles, the subheadline here, to support the title. So cut busy work in half, transfer twice as fast. It's not using the exact gain X through Y framework I talked about earlier. That's really a starting point to get you thinking about the benefit and the solution, so that way you can provide a full story to your potential buyers. So when you're talking about this specific example, you're getting very specific. Cut busy work in half. That is a pain point. I am busy all the time doing crap I don't want to do. Transfer twice as fast. That's what I'm looking for. I want to speed up my day-to-day. I want to speed up time it takes to process things. I want transfers to happen quickly where I don't even have to manually do anything about it. So you want to make sure that you're hitting on those pain points and then also delivering on the solution that makes you unique to your buyer. High-performing hero sections answer 3 questions in under 10 words. Is this for me? Can it solve my problem? Now what? Which I'll get into in another video when we're talking about CTAs and next steps and actions that you want your users to take. But for now, if you watch this video and you're thinking, this is great, but I need somebody else to do this work for me, that's literally what we do at Jacqueline Designs. We clarify your hero section, rewrite it around solving your buyer's pain points, and then redesign it so the right people stay and then take action. Use the free intro link in the description to chat with me about how to turn your hero section into the first step of a buyer journey that actually converts. Let's have a real conversation about your site. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment and let me know.